Hi Diamond Painters! So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from ArtDot. They sent me some drills. I'll be adding the link to it because you can actually get these off Amazon. But I'm going to be unboxing the round ones that are 445 colors. So stay tuned for this unboxing with me and let's see what we got. Hey guys, you ready to jump in this box with me? Here I have ArtDot drills in round. They are $50 on Amazon with a 5% coupon. It's 1,000 piece per color. There's 445 colors, and that gives us 445,000 drills. Now they sent this to me, so let's dive in and see these colors. So we're gonna open this up and see what we got. Ooh, we got it in another box. So we have bubble wrap and this nice big heavy box. So right here, and then on top it tells you what they are. So this is the right set, it looks like. Let's see.
Yay.
So here's what the round drills look like and their facets. Oh wow, so pretty. Whoa, look at all these. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. Wow. So on top, you got your kind of white to skin tone colors. So you see them right there. And they do go by the DMC code. So they look pretty good. They kind of remind me of Diamond Art Club drills. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's see how this. Oh wow! So there is no. Doesn't look like there's any chart. So I will have to see about getting a chart, their chart, off of the Amazon website and checking it to that. So, yeah. So let's just see what we got. Wow. So these are the blues. So it's actually upside down. So let me see if I can turn it around and go that way. Here we go. Let's start this way. So they come in their packages. So here we go. I'll just run through the colors really quickly so you can see them. The oranges. So like I said, this is a pretty good set to start with if you like to do a lot of freestyle stuff or you want extra drills to be able to have on hand. I will most likely use these for cards. You can glue them onto cards. Now you can see this one has a little bit of drills stuck in between and it did not get fully sealed. So it's going to go into that other package. So I'm going to make sure that doesn't happen. But we got some more skin tone colors, some browns, some reds and pinks. Kind of going a little fast here. Some mauve colors. Some blues. Blue's my favorite color and green's my favorite color. So we'll go with another. I mean, just look at all this. This is like I'm covered in drills. Whoop. So again, I'm just going to go fast so you can see all the colors because there is 445 drill colors. Again, they remind me of Diamond Art Club drills. There does not look to be hardly any trash drills besides the ones that kind of got on the escapee side. So let me show you the back side. So these are 100 pieces. So you might have to have more than one pack if you plan to trade out a whole bunch of drills, if you want to use this to trade out colors. There are no AB drills in here. That would be a neat little package for them to do. I might suggest that to them, to maybe do an AB package like this, where you can order a set of AB drills. But this again is from ArtDot, and you can get them off Amazon. So if you're a Prime member, you will get free shipping. There is a 5% coupon, so don't forget to use that. It came quickly within the amount of time it was shipped. So again, there's no art chart to tell you what all came in it. So I am going to have to look on the website to find that. But again, beautiful drills it looks like. No, not a lot of trash drills. A bunch of colors. Yeah, no hardly trash drills, so that's good. And you get a whole bunch of different colors. So let me see if I can just do 2 at the same time. Sorta. So you have all these beautiful colors in one box. So if you're looking for something to have extra drills, or you just want to start your drill collection, this is a beautiful set to do. There's like many more of these. So there's 2 more sets of these. I can't believe, wow. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. So let me just show you guys. Let's see. So again, I think it pretty much starts with the top of the chart, and then it goes down from there because these are in the 900s. A couple of the other ones I saw were in the 3000s. So if you're new to diamond painting, the colors are based off the DMC chart, which is used for cross stitching. So if you're used to cross stitching, that is how that goes. But yeah, just beautiful colors. Again, not a lot of trash drills besides these ones. Now this one has a lot besides these ones that get stuck in there. That is kind of sad, but that is just how that happens in the machinery. This one does have a lot of that, so that's a little sad. You lose a few here and there. But hopefully they don't do quite just 1,000. It's almost 1,000, so I mean, who's going to sit here and actually count all these? Because I could not count all these. But again, a beautiful set of colors. It's like huge rainbow colors here. If I can do 2 again. So I don't want to take too much of your time just looking at all the colors. But it's like taking a bath in color drills. So pretty. Again, I'm hoping they come out with an AV set. I'm going to suggest that to them because that would be pretty to do. Because I know a lot of us like to do AV switch outs for regular colors. So beautiful drills, beautiful colors, not a lot of trash drills. It doesn't look like they have a lot of divots or holes or anything. Dirt. I don't like using drills that have little brown, black spots in them. I like using them so they're clear. And this looks good. I mean, they really do look good. So one more set as we swim in drills. Would y'all join me in swimming in drills? So greens. These greens are beautiful. Oh, there is a company out there that does do kind of like coloring book pages where you can buy just the canvas and you color it in with your drills, like extra drills. That might be fun to do with these. I don't know if they fit these because I know it's, I think one of the crystal companies have that. So again, beautiful drills. As you can hear, my dinner is done. I'm not going to go through all these again, or not again, but if you want to see all of them, there's a chart on Amazon. Again, these are pretty blue ones, but look at all the drills. It's like swimming in drills. So pretty. I can't wait to start using these. So stay tuned because I might use some of these in my next video. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll put that link below to Amazon.